found it. It's clean, it drives fine, the seller seems genuine, and the price looks fair. So you shake hands. Here's the thing about used cars. The problems that cost the most money are almost never the ones you can see from the driver's seat. Most of us check 4 things: how it looks, the mileage, the price, and how it feels on a 10-minute drive around the block. That's reasonable. It's also where the gaps are, because there's a longer list. Tyres, and whether they're wearing evenly, which tells you something about the alignment and the suspension. Warning lights, including the ones that were cleared shortly before you arrived. Fluid leaks, what the engine bay actually looks like underneath the dust. How the brakes feel under real pressure, not just at a junction. Body panels, color differences, uneven gaps, overspray. The quiet signs that a car has been repaired. The interior, the service history. And on the drive, the noises and vibrations that only show up above 40. So honestly, standing in a stranger's driveway with the seller watching you, how much of that are you going to remember? Probably not all of it. And that's not a failing. It's just what happens when you're doing something unfamiliar, under a bit of pressure, and you already quite like the car. The trouble is that missing one thing can change the whole deal. A car that looked like a sensible buy turns into a repair bill you weren't planning for. Which is exactly why it helps to have a checklist with you. That's what the used car buyer's inspection kit is for. It walks you through 8 sections: exterior, tires, engine bay, fluids, interior, electronics, and the test drive. And it scores the car as you go. Flag an issue, and it explains in plain English what that usually means. So you're not standing there guessing whether it's serious. Then at the end, you get a verdict. Green, solid condition, normal due diligence. Yellow, real issues found, and a starting point for negotiating. Red, serious concerns, and clear next steps. It runs in your browser. No app, no account. Print it and take it with you, or just use it on your phone at the car. And it's reusable for as many cars as you end up looking at. It isn't a replacement for a professional mechanic's inspection. Nothing is. But if you're going to look at a car this week, you're not a mechanic, and you'd like something more organized than hoping you remember everything, it's the best second opinion you'll have standing in someone's driveway. So if you're buying a used car, take a proper checklist with you. The used car buyer's inspection kit is linked below. Have a look before you go.